What will you do to stay healthy? What will you do to stay healthy? I will exercise regularly and eat balanced meal. I will exercise regularly and eat balanced meals. Why will you learn to meditate? Why will you learn to meditate? I will improve my mental well-being. I will improve my mental well-being. When will you take a day off to relax? When will you take a day off to relax? I will plan a day off next month. I will plan a day off next month. How will you handle a disagreement with a colleague? How will you handle a disagreement with a colleague? I will communicate openly and find a resolution. I will communicate. Will you participate in a community event? Will you participate in a community event? Yes, I will engage in local activities. Yes, I will engage in local activities. What will you do on a rainy day? What will you do on a rainy day? I will read a book or watch movies at home. I will read a book or watch movies at home. Why will you learn to play a musical instrument? Why will you learn to play a musical instrument? I will express myself through music. I will express myself through music. When will you explore a new hobby? When will you explore a new hobby? I will start a new hobby this summer. I will start a new hobby this summer. How will you save money for a future trip? How will you save money for a future trip? I will create a budget and cut unnecessary expenses. Will you try a new workout routine? Will you try a new workout routine? Yes, I explore different fitness activities. Yes, I will explore different fitness activities. What will you do to make a positive impact on your community? What will you do to make a positive impact on your community? I will volunteer for local initiatives. I will volunteer for local initiatives. Why will you start a blog about your passion? Why will you start a blog about your passion? I will share my knowledge and experiences. I will share my knowledge and experiences. When will you learn to play a board game? When will you learn to play a board game? I will learn this weekend with friends. I will learn this weekend with friends. How will you develop good study habits? How will you develop good study habits? I will set a dedicated study time and create a quiet environment. I will set a dedicated study time and create a quiet environment. What will you do if you encounter a challenging task at work? What will you do if you encounter a challenging task at work? I will break it into a smaller task and tackle them one by one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.